Allegedly, ang sabi niya, si ES daw po yung nagpa-hold.
Sinong ES?
Si Executive Secretary Ochoa po.
Naniwala ka?
DDGO po namin siya.
That's pure hearsay. That will not stand in court. You were admitted in the PNP when?
1993, Your Honor.
Kailan ka natanggal?
Badrap po ako, hindi ko na po matandaan, Your Honor.
You were dropped from the PNP on April 25, 1994. You were dropped from the PNP role on 1994, the same month.
Hindi po ako familiar doon sa date.
Ako, alam ko kung kailan ako nakulong eh. Alam mo nga kung kailan ka na-admit sa PNP, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka na-dismiss. Alam
Yes.
mo na na-admit ka noong 1993, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka na-dismiss sa PNP.
Your Honor,
And the following year, na-dismiss ka na. 10 years after, you were suspended from July 1, 2007 to September 2007. 1 year after, you were dropped again from the PNP role. Why was that so?
hindi ko na po matandaan, Your Honor.
Nung hinire ka ng PIDEA, you misrepresented yourself that you do not have any unbroken service in the PNP from 1993 to 2008. And you did not disclose that you were dropped from the PNP role on April 25, 1994 and August 28, 2008. And you were dismissed from the service on November 7, 1994 and was suspended from July 1, 1997 to September of 2007. Hindi mo nga sinabi yung katotohanan na dismiss ka sa
Opo.
PNP. Kung ako ang PIDEA at alam kong meron ka mga kaso sa Philippine National Police na drop ka, na dismiss ka, na suspindi ka, finailan ka ng kaso, hindi kita kukunin. Meron kang malakas na backer. The authority to operate provides that 7 other personnel of the PIDEA Intelligence and Investigation Service or IIS were supposed to join the anti-drug operation against then Bongbong Marcos. But when asked during the previous Senate hearing who were these 7 personnel, you conceded that you cannot even name or remember one. May nagtanong pa sa'yo during the last hearing kung sino yung mga 7 personnel ng PIDEA na yun. Wala ka naalala ni isa. You were also saying that when you got dismissed or separated from PIDEA, you left the alleged authority to operate in the pre-operation report at the IIS. Tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor, nandun sa opisina.
Do you have any proof that you indeed left the said documents?
Wala, informal lahat yung ginagawa namin, Your Honor.
Paano nabanggit ang pangalan ni Presidente, pangalan ni Marcel Soriano?
Your Honor, ito yung confidential informant na nakunan ko ng statement.
Who is this confidential informant?
Hindi ko po maalala, Your Honor. Sa tagal po, Your Honor.
Alam mo, ikaw Morales, nagbabanggit ka ng pangalan ng mga personalidad, ultimo pangalan ng Presidente, ultimo pangalan ng mga iba't ibang sikat na artista na wala ka na may ebidensya. Ang sinasabi mo, galing sa informant. Bigyan mo ako dokumento.
Your Honor, nandun nga po sa PIDEA.
O PIDEA, meron bang pangalan si Marcel Soriano dyan at si Presidente Marcos?
Your Honor, in the pre-operations report, there is no such name. But there's a hidden phrase there.
No mention of Bongbong Marcos
There is the name of Bongbong Marcos alias Bonget, Your Honor.
na involved?
No, I mean in the pre-operations. I'm referring to the pre-operations report, Your Honor.
The drug list.
There is no name of the president,
see?
Your Honor.
Marcel Soriano.
No name, Your Honor.
Mag-self-distract ka dito kapag ito ay recorded lahat. Meron itong sinabi mo na dadalhin ko sa hukay ang pangalan ng confidential informant. Sinabi mo ito, hindi?
Hindi ko lang
Sinabi mo ba o hindi?
Hindi ko lang po matandaan yung exact phrase, Your Honor.
Exact. So meaning, hindi mo talaga ilaglag kahit ano mangyari.
Hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan.
He remembers all the details, but he does not remember the name of the confidential informant. That is quite absurd. Yung mga ibang detalye, alam mo. Yung ibang naitatanong namin, hindi mo na alam, hindi mo na matandaan. Ultimo yung gender nung confidential informant, whether babae o lalaki, hindi mo rin, ayaw mo rin sabihin. Yung pangalan, nakalimutan mo. Pero samantalang yung mga ibang tinatanong namin sa inyo, way back, alam mo, Agent Jonathan, yung sinisiwalat mo rito, panay hearsay, eh, hindi ka namin paniniwalaan. Dinamay mo na yung presidente. Sinabi ng PIDEA, he was never included in the drug list. Sinama mo mga ibang personalidad, mga sikat na artista. Tinanong natin ng PIDEA, they were never included in the drug list. Alam mo, nagsisinungaling ka eh. Alam nyo, sa aking palagay, the source of the leak is most probably no other than Mr. Morales. Because I think he kept a copy. Siya sigurong nag-leak. That is my own opinion, and I believe in it. This person has been charged of violation of Article 180 of the Revised Penal Code, which is still pending before the Metropolitan Trial Court, Branch 4 in San Fernando, Pampanga. Tungkol ito sa false testimony. And the other criminal cases filed against Mr. Morales based on validated information from a concerned citizen. If this is true, estafa pending before the Metropolitan Trial Court, Pasig City, slight physical injuries pending before Branch 72, Pasig City. And as a final remark, the facts and evidence presented clearly demonstrate demonstrate the questionable integrity and credibility of this particular resource person. And the same evidence refutes all accusations against the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency and its current leadership. And the statements given by this particular resource person against the agency and its current leadership are evidently perjurious, defamatory, and outright false. That's all, Mr. Chair.